All right. So we are going to go through some posts, not only the one you are seeing here. This is a Eunice Pipi, and she made a post, a few hours ago, but not this one. This one was done on 24th of June, but I choose to pick this one because we are going to learn something from that. When we say that Ogegere have damaged many things, just because he's so eager to become a leader. He wants to be relevant and all that. Many people that supported him in the past are yet to realize what they have done. Because a lot of things that's going on or that's happened started from Ogenkere, quest to lead. This woman here, I've told us many times, talking about UPB, that she is not in support of PM from get-go. But today, she is doing everything to promote and protect Ogenkere. Why I'm bringing to you this screenshot before us now is because of the content of that. What she said in this post. This is her tweet on X. And we're going to go through it, like I said. But before then, please like this video, very, very important. And subscribe to the channel in case if you're new. Comment and tell us what you think about what we are going to discuss on this video. Please make sure you join us. And I have to start by letting us know, I have to appreciate our sister that showed us love. All right. And this is the people who understand that what we're doing here is not for free. Like our recent way of, uploading and streaming, it has to do with money. But many of us don't know that. So I have to appreciate this, our sister, Ngozi Flora. Okay. I see you. I got your message. Ngozi Flora Raphael. That is the name here. And I have actually responded to you on comment section, but I want to make it official of this video to appreciate you because you support us, even though when we are not streaming, she just pick our video and send this thanks message. I appreciate you for that. God bless you, madly. I hope you're gonna watch the video, Ngozi. Nice to to have you. Nice to receive your blessing. God bless you for that, and I appreciate you. May God reward you madly. Like I said, thank you, thank you, thank you. So let's go straight to the program of the hour. And like I said, we are going to start with this very one. Eunice, who made this post and said, until our PM come. That's what she's trying to say. Until our PM and commanders. Until our PM and commanders says otherwise. Meaning that if PM alone cannot do that, commanders must also follow. Then who is the leader here? Who is the leader? Biafra movement is not in hands of men on ground. Like they are not the one leading. They are not the one, running the government because this is not military regime. But when you read a post like this one that this lady made, one may begin to wonder: have they finally sidelined PM? Because that reminds me of the organigram we talked about, yesterday. The diagram, the government diagram that this fallback republic designed it lately, and they put PM in one tight corner in that diagram. This is the reason why Biafra needs to support the mandate. And PM understand what it can do. That's why he said to CS that she should protect the mandate. Believe you me, that message, PM may not understand what he actually was saying, but the message is not getting clearer. Like what this lady said here. Until our PM and commanders say otherwise, you have no right to either remove Ogenkere nor change the account. It is an act of sabotage on our PM, not PM here. You are talking about this is all about protecting Ogenkere. He said, keep off and stop gang up now. Keep off and stop gang up now. Coming from people that are known for gang up. And that is not as if that is not enough. You remember this our brother called Royce? You remember him, right? Royce have openly declares his support to Ogenkere and Fallback Republic. What is going on or what has happened so far, this our brother is part and parcel of it. He has actually done more harm by vocally or verbally throwing support and talking down on US. I remember he is the first person that banned CS from entering Biafra land. You remember? Now he sounds like he's not sounding as if he had been a neutral person. He's not aware. Let's go through his write-up because I cannot. When I saw this, I said no. I cannot just ignore this one. This one deserves. We need to bring it up. We have to, and that is what we are going to do now, right away. Okay. I'm so sorry, he says, to say this. It seems we now have 95% of idiots in this Biafran struggle than the 5% of the brave. This is how you plan to defeat the enemies. Very shameless tribe. If you all don't know what is happening, PM Samonekpa and Mas Namorikano are in fighting this war, but all are in fighting this war, but you all are out there fighting yourself. It is a pity, he says. No one knows what they are doing anymore. The only thing I saw is totally confusion, backstabbing, sabotage, and enemies within. Checking updates from our own government. Now irritates me. He said, now irritates me and all the men on ground. Ngozi Oraveze today, Ogenkere tomorrow. If this is how PM Samonekpa was doing it, we wouldn't have come this far. If you people don't want this freedom, you better speak up. He continued, you people don't want this freedom, you better speak up now and stop wasting people's time. Because I have never in my entire life come across this type of people. Let me tell you all until you all start looking beyond AK, that is AK 49 and GPMG and chain guns, you are going nowhere. You have to start making move on making move. You have to start making move one how making move. I don't know what I mean by making move one. Okay, making move how to procure men on ground with the latest arms. These are what men on ground are expecting, not gossiping. Thank God for the emergency of PMC score. I don't know. This is the score that he claimed that he has. I don't know about it. They are the one holding down the terrorists today. If we are waiting for you by now, it would have been a disaster. Briggy and USB Nigeria must, can you imagine? Briggy and USB Nigeria must not stop fighting. You must continue. This is the problem. I just told you that he's one of the contributor of indoor fights all this while. I just made it clear, as if I know that something is coming. As if I know. You can see it, right? USB Nigeria. The question is, what makes you call Biafran's USB Nigeria? What is that thing that you know or you have seen that actually give you the right or make you feel that you have the mandate to go all out and start calling Biafran's names? This is the problem. This is exactly what I was talking about. But guess what? What do I know? I'm not surprised. Honestly, I'm not surprised because this is who they are. They always have a way to antagonize other people, thinking that only them know it. They have mandate, they have access, all these kind of feelings that only you know how to do it, only you know how to deal with people. This is the problem, like I said. Anyway, I'm not gonna say much. Biafrans already know. As a commander, you said you are, even though people say that you are not, and you keep on proving that you are not. You keep on proving that you are not army. Army doesn't behave this way. How can army behave like this? How? Anyway, let me not stress you. Hear what this our sister said here because I think I need to but just listen.
Nah, ndị na-enweghị ihere. Hey, nah, nah, ndị na-enweghị ihere o. Ndị ihe na-eme n'ụwa ke. Hey, Chineke. Bịa vam and ga-esi aha gị were afa jere and Ada Diora mma. Sani Akparawa oge nkere. Na ndị kọmitii ahụ Imam Madagụ, Prọfesọ Okeọma na nwunye ya. Ma Ruby Nnadika so Ruby onye. Hey, Chineke nna m. The same account onu kwuru crucify ya Dr. Ngozi Orabeze. Kono na oge na since February ko be nyekwe the same account. The same account onu scatter onu kwuru ni scatter Biafra. Make obi nwu Biafra juo yi iwete idonate ego. Kono owe kono putara gbo na akpo oge nkere bia be my account. On na try kwala that no. On na try kwala that no. On na change kwala that account. Oge nkere ekokwala agakwala nye ni account. Agakwala nye ni account. Ene nke we bia say oge nkere bia nye account na. Account ono kwezi say Dr. Ngozi Orabeze ga wo lead on. Aga lead. On a divide. Even today say on a sue. On a put your account. Hey, Chineke. Hey. Ihe go and negative no.
But it's not funny. It's not funny, but it's not funny. She's just trying to remind them what they have done in the past. Oh, account is this, account is that. Today, everything that you guys blame US for is what you guys are doing with impunity. Anyway, like I said, I don't want it to be too long. Okay, I just want to give you this update. Starting from Royce down to all these guys. They have done terrible things, and those things is now turning around to against them. Imagine Royce, you are still talking about, don't stop fighting each other. You are trying to talk sense or to advise, but in your right up, you see writing USB Nigeria, and we're a commander that's supposed to defend the USB. These people, right? Anyway, please tell me what you think about it and like the video. Subscribe to the channel. God bless you and bye-bye for now.